K999 Max Drone Operation Tutorial. Open the box and take out the product and accessories. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power source. The red light will stay on while charging. It will automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Install the remote controller battery. Install the drone battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Press and hold to turn on the drone power. Then turn on the remote controller switch. The remote controller will automatically pair with the drone's frequency. Calibrate the gyroscope by moving the stick outwards. Pushing the left stick up unlocks the drone. Pushing it up again allows it to take off. 1 key takeoff. Ascend. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Fly left. Fly right. Speed switching. 1 beep for low speed. 2 beeps for medium speed. 3 beeps for high speed. Press the roll button and move the right joystick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Short press the fine-tuning button. If the drone veers to the left, adjust it to the right. If it veers forward, adjust it to the back. 1 key landing. Short press to switch to land mode. Forward. Turn left. Turn right. Replacing the fan blades. First, remove the fan blades from the arm. Note the A and B markings. Install the corresponding fan blades.